Alright, finally making a car wash video with the Edge. Alright, he's telling me to stop, put it in neutral. Now, one thing that you need to know if you have automatic wipers is that you should return the stock to the off position before going through a car wash. I know some people like to leave it in automatic all the time, which is fine for the most part until you get to the car wash and forget you had it in auto and the wipers go off and get destroyed by the car wash. Now, that's unlikely to happen, but it could. So, it's just a precaution you should take if you have automatic wipers in your car. So I selected the $6 wash, which gives an undercarriage blast. And there it goes. Comes the clear coat. You also get heated dry with the $6 wash. And that's all, folks. Make sure you smash the thumbs up in the face if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications. Do what you do best, and peace out until next time.